Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Hope that you all are having a blessed day today. And in this video, I want to talk to you all about the stinger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick little overview about it, and then we're going to take it into the field. I'm going to actually take it on a job site and let you see how everything works. But first, I'm going to just go over a few functions and let you know a little bit about the machine just to get you familiar with it before I take it into the field. So let's go ahead and jump into it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Stinger QUAD-AER 3000. It is a 30-inch commercial aerator that goes 7 miles per hour, and it has a Kawasaki engine. The total width on this machine is 48 inches wide, and the total width for the tines is 30 inches. When using the aerator, it has a pedestal for you to be able to stand on, and it also has a foot pedal for you to be able to engage the tines. On top of the machine, it has everything from your tine pressure adjustment and even your tine controls. Now let's take this thing into the field and get a little bit more in depth.
This is the beast of choice that I'm going to be using. So just for save of space, we got a little latch here. Pull this latch out, then it comes down. That saves trailer space. We got the seed box on top of it, so we'll put the seed in here. You see, I already got some down in there, just a little bit, but we'll put the seed in here, and this thing turns. We got an eyeglass on the other side, so I can be able to see exactly how much seed is in there. Let's close this. You got your parking brake right here. Here's the eyeglass, so I can be able to see where my seed is. Here's a foot pedal so that you can be able to engage your tines. You just step on it and you have the option. Right now it's in transport mode, which means I can drive. If you put it in the up side, that means that they'll stay up, and then once you press on the button, they'll go down. If you put it on the down, that means they'll stay down, and then when you press on the button, that means that the tines will raise up. You're gonna take these little screws off, and then we'll be able to see the tines. I'm gonna show you. So these are the tines on the inside. Of course, the middle of them, the middle move, these don't. These go with actually the hydraulics. Here's a little thing that engages the seed. You have automatic. You can do it, you can set your level of how you want to drop the seed. So it has a seed flow chart. You have ryegrass, bluegrass, tall fescue, and fine fescue. You have a line for each, and it basically tells you how many pounds per thousand and the digital setting that you need to put it on. So for example, if we're doing ryegrass, rye's the blue, if we're going down at, let's say, 8 pounds per thousand, okay, 8 pounds per thousand is right here. So that means that we need to have it between the number 45 and 50. Let's say we're going down with a tall fescue. Tall fescue, let's say we're going down with maybe 5 pounds per thousand. Let's say 6 pounds per thousand on a overseeding of a lawn. What we're going to do today. 6 pounds per thousand is right here. It's telling us to put it on number 50. Now what I'll do is I will test it first, see how much seed is actually dropping, and then I'll go from there, just to be sure. So the seed, when the seed drop, the seed will drop right here, okay? It'll come right out of this little thing, and it'll fall down right there. All right, so the seed will drop in front of the tines, and then the tines will aerate it. So some of that seed is going to get aerated into the soil. It's going to get broken up into the soil, so that's good too. You got your gas, you put your gas here, your throttle. These are your controls: forward, back, forward, back, forward, back for the right side, forward, back for the left side. This is your tine pressure. So normally I will run this in between 300 and 600. The ground is a little bit moist, so I'm normally like right in here. You can adjust it as far as for this, a lot of pressure, and then turn it this way, the negative, that lowers the pressure. But if you normally go in between 300 and 600, you're good. You're gonna pull some good chords. Only time that I would even considering doing 900 to 12 is if it is completely dry. And that's what it does, is it applies pressure so that it can be able to pull chords. Your average aerator is not going to apply pressure where it pulls chords. This thing does. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Put the key in. See the digital thing cut on. Let's raise this choke up halfway. All right, now we're ready to go. Breakdown. Trying to make your next best move, this is what you need to do. Once again, this is the Stinger QUAD-AER 3000. I stand behind this. This thing has done me right, and as far as going out there not having any problems, not having any issues, having all the horsepower that I need when I'm out there doing my aeration and my seeding, this thing right here most definitely is a game changer, especially with this seed box, because you can kill two birds with one stone. Yeah, I thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all have a blessed one, and I'll see y'all in the next one.